In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarms at the bottom left corner. Now click on those three dots at the top right one and select settings. Following that, adjust all of those under alarms however you want to, and when you finished, go back. Now create new alarm thanks to this plus at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour in the pop-up and hit OK. As you can see, after a few seconds, my alarm was successfully created. Now to adjust it, click on it and manage all of those options however you want to customize it perfectly. Pick days of the week by tapping on them and tap on schedule alarm if you want to pick some specific date. Then hit OK. To remove it, tap on cancel. Now choose alarm name to label it. Click on this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or turn it on, and use this plus next to routines to add your alarm to Google Assistant routines if you are using them. Finally, hit sound. Tap on dismiss or download one of those sound platforms if you want to use one of those. Then click on it at the top and log in. You can also select Add New under your sounds and click on any song from your smartphone you wanna apply. If you don't want to do any of that, just click on one of those, like Oxygen. Now hit save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. To make any changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. Then hit save at the bottom right corner. To get rid of it, click on it and tap on delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!